Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today we're gonna talk about the DJI Mini 2. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you why you have to buy this drone if you want to start to fly some drone, and also if you want to start filming with your drone. So let's start with this video, and let's start with the first point. So you have to buy this drone, right? It is the first step that you have to do, and you have multiple choices because actually you can buy this drone like itself with pretty much no accessories and all the stuff, and you have the Fly More combo, so the kit that you have from DJI that it will give you. Like the most important thing for me, at least, it is the batteries, because you got 3 batteries with that kit, and with this one, so no kit, you got only 1 battery. And so I have the standard one. I didn't buy the combo kit, and the standard one comes like at 450 euros here where I live. I think it is a nice price. I mean, it's the lowest drone that you can find right now. The other decent drone that you can buy with less, it's only the previous model of this one, so the DJI Mini. And actually I think it's called like Mavic Mini, but this one, it is only DJI Mini 2. And I think with that price you can buy also, for example, you can buy a GoPro. And yes, a GoPro, it's a very good action camera, and you can do pretty much anything with that camera, and the image quality is very good, etc, etc. But if you want to buy this drone with the same price, I recommend to you, because you just have a camera flying. Why not buying like a flying camera? I mean, it is great. And so that's why actually I don't have like a new GoPro, because I have an older one, but I never use it. And I just did buy this one because it is a very useful tool to use pretty much in anything. Like if you fly for hobbies, or maybe if you're doing like some small works, why not? And the second reason why you have to buy this drone, I mean, look at that. Look at this thing. It is like very small, and it is actually very light. It is smaller than my hand, and it is very light. In fact, it is 249 grams. It is also written, in fact, on the drone itself that it is 249 grams, so very light. And if you bring this drone with you, probably you can bring it also in your pockets, as I did like a few months ago, and you can bring it also in your main case, in your main backpack, and you cannot even feel it. I mean, it is so small that you can pretty much carry it anywhere. And this one actually does not require also a license. So here where I live, it just does need an insurance on this drone, and then you're good to go. Also, the drone, yes, it's very small and very light, but you have the controller that it is actually bigger than the drone, and it is actually also heavier than the drone, but it is very compact, we can say, and you can bring it pretty much anywhere. This one too, because you have also the removable sticks right here that you can find right there down below, and you can just screw it on these joysticks, and this is a very useful feature. And actually it is heavy and it is bigger than the drone, but it comes with some pros, of course, because this controller is actually a step ahead if you compare to the older one, because the older one, for example, it was like Wi-Fi, so it connected to the drone with Wi-Fi, so the signal was good, but it was not that strong. And with this one, with this controller, you have like OcuSync 2.0, and it is very cool. I mean, it's rated for like 10 kilometer, I guess, or something like that, but that is not the point. The point is that when you fly this drone around some obstacles, or maybe behind some houses, some walls, you don't lose the signal very easily. And this is a very great feature, because you just need that signal. And actually you have also a very good video quality signal too, because you just got on your phone a 720p video preview of the drone, and that is a very good feature. I mean, it is great. You can fly it pretty much anywhere and everywhere for its size and its strong signal. And talking about, in fact, of the video quality of this drone, it is actually 4K. You can shoot 4K 30 FPS. It has pretty much a decent quality. I mean, it's not a top notch, of course, because the sensor, it is very small. You have to keep that in mind, of course, but you just have very nice quality, and especially, of course, for its size. It is like carrying a good phone that shoots like very good video, but flying, so it is great. Also, if you are shooting maybe in sunny days, or maybe you have a lot of light, you can make your drone shots more cinematic just using some ND filters that will help you with highlights and like sunny, very sunny days. And also we can talk about the photo quality, because it takes very good shots actually, and you can also shoot in RAW quality, so very good. It's actually a DNG file where you pretty much can do your edits, and that's great. I mean, you can do very good videos, very good photos, what else you want. Then somebody can think that this drone, because it's so small, because it's maybe weak, it doesn't fly very well, it's not that stable, it doesn't fly maybe in bad conditions, in strong wind situations, but it is not true, because it is a very much stable drone. I mean, it doesn't move. These kind of motors, these kind of like little motors are very powerful. You can fly it pretty much in strong wind condition. I mean, not in a thunderstorm, of course, but if you have like stronger wind in your place, you can try to fly it. I mean, it does a really good job flying in those situations. You can try it, maybe just don't try too hard, because it is not safe also for you and for your drone. So just be careful. One thing that you could miss on this drone is actually the sensors, because you can see right here that you have only this sensor right here. You don't have any other sensor. So you miss like some automatic shots, like that could be the follow mode. So this drone cannot follow you, because of course it probably would crashes like in some obstacles. But you do always have the quick shots, and these are some useful modes, automatic shots that you can find on your app when you are connected to the drone, and they work pretty good. So if you want to do like those hard shots, those epic shots that you can find on YouTube, just do some quick shots. They work very good. The battery life, it is good also, because you have like 30-35 minutes of continuous flight. That it is pretty awesome for this drone and for its size. Actually, you can see you have the battery here in the back, and it's removable, of course, like this. You can see right here, this is the drone battery. And actually, if I remove this battery from the drone, this feels like a toy, because it is so light that you can even feel in your hand. And so I was saying, the battery life, it is pretty decent for its size and everything. And also, as I was saying in the beginning, you can buy the combo kit from DJI, the Fly More combo, with 2 more batteries. But my tip, it is actually to buy this normal version, because you can save a lot of money doing that. And with those money, you can buy like, for example, or just the battery aside from the drone, or actually you can just buy a power bank if you don't have one yet, and you can just charge your drone through a power bank. And if it has actually the fast charge, it does charge the drone in like 30 minutes. So you're good to go to fly again for other 30 minutes. And this is pretty much awesome, because you have actually in the back, you have an USB-C. So you can connect pretty much anything in the back and charge this drone very quickly. So for example, the other day I was shooting around and I was in my car and I didn't have any power bank with me. And I just connected this drone to my car with USB, and it was easily charging while I was doing my stuff on the social, like losing time. Also, this is a great starting drone because you have a good app for your phone, because actually you can just edit your footage, your drone footage on your phone through the DJI app. And this is very useful if you are not confident, or maybe you find very useful to edit on the go on your phone, you can do that. And for me, I never use that feature because I usually edit my videos on my PC. But if you are around and you have only your phone, it is a good thing that you have. So these were my few reasons to buy this Mini 2 drone, to just start to use a drone, or maybe if you want to just bring around a small drone. Because for example, if you are just not starting with drone, or maybe if you have a bigger version of this, maybe you have the Mavic Pro or another bigger drone, you can buy this one because you can bring it pretty much anywhere, and it is so useful to bring this drone pretty much in any situation, and you can fly it pretty much anywhere. So this was my recommendation. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and also if you like this video, please hit a like button down below, it's free. And if you haven't subscribed already, just consider doing it right now, because it will help this channel very much and it will be very much appreciated by me, of course. And I think that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.